Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can withdraw money from Robinhood, so let's get started. First, what you're going to do is click on the person icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, click on the three lines in the top left corner. After that, navigate to the Transfers section of the app. Once you're there, you'll see an option called Transfer Money. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll be able to choose the From and To accounts. In this case, the From account will be your Robinhood individual account, and the To account will be the bank account you've linked. Now, you have two options when making a withdrawal. You can either choose a free transfer, which usually takes about 4 to 5 business days, or you can use the instant withdrawal feature, which comes with a small fee. Finally, you can review your choice and confirm the withdrawal. In most cases, the money arrives faster than the estimated time shown in the app. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.